Hello, beautiful souls. How are y'all today? I come to bring you your message for today from the divine for the collective affected by domestic violence. I hope we're having a better day than we did yesterday in our community. I see so many people brainstorming and trying to put things together to help our youth deal with conflict resolution, emotional intelligence. So I think that's a wonderful thing. That's a wonderful thing. I am I'm just grateful, period. Just to just for these times that we are in, they seem like they're so challenging and seem like there's just so much coming at us. But we are in a growth. I'm gonna say we are more like in a transition. We are giving birth to something very, very new. So we're growing. Just think of a pregnancy. We are in. We have given a seed, and it is maturing right now. And we're going through we're going to have some birth pains, but once it's here, it's going to be beautiful. So this is one of the greatest times to be alive, whether we believe it or not. But there is a great transition coming that is going to allow so many people to walk in their freedom, in their mind. Because we think it's about, we've been so bogged down in this dimension with work, money, just always something to have to worry about. And we're getting this opportunity where we're going to birth something so beautiful that we can walk in our freedom. We don't have to worry about money. We don't have to worry about a lack mindset. We don't have to worry about this and that and all of that. So a lot of things are happening because people are not ready for that transition. Their beliefs have been shaken. Their foundation of beliefs have been shaken. And all I can say is you better get ready. You better get ready so you don't be in such shock and awe. Get your mental and your mind prepared, because we're rocking and rolling as we emerge into this new earth, and it's a beautiful thing. There's chaos before order, but claim your state. Claim your stake right now. Okay? So you don't get lost in the sauce. All right, so we have our cards here. The first one is don't give up. Complete the task at hand. Walk in your power. You are the magic that you've been waiting for. Your creative ideas are inspirational and transformative for others. Put in the work. Okay. Whatever you're doing, whatever you're working on, don't give up. Don't give up. No matter what it looks like. No matter how you feel like you can't see the end of the tunnel, don't give up. Go hand in hand. Complete that task at hand. Complete it. Complete it. It goes hand in hand with don't give up. Complete the task at hand. God gave you this vision. He gave you this purpose to do it. Don't give up. Okay? Walk in your power. Walk in your power. Walk in it. Claim it. Own it. It's yours. Walk in it. You are the magic that you've been waiting for. There is no one outside of you, nothing outside of you. You are the magic. You are the magic. Nobody else can give you the magic pill but you. You are the magic. Okay? Your creative ideas are transformative and inspirational for others. Your tribe is waiting on you. And if you're in a domestic violence situation with children, your children is waiting on you. It's waiting on you to make that transformation so their life can be transformational. Okay? So put in the work. Put in the work. And I don't mean like physical work. Be in the power of just being the I am. Put in the work means for me is slow down. Sit with yourself. You don't have to always be doing your manifestations, your bringing it to fruition is just sometime sitting in silence. You don't have to be doing something. It can just be sitting in silence because you already are. You already the I am. And that's putting in the work. You already the I am. The power of just being. God has given everything you need. But we think we got to go out here and get this and that. No. It's already in you. The God within you. That's simply putting in the work. Okay? I'm not saying you just don't have to do nothing. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying once you done put in that work as well, let it go. Surrender and let go. Walk in your freedom. There is nothing like freedom that no money can buy. Freedom in your mind. Just freedom to get up and do whatever you want to on a daily basis. Without having to punch a clock. Without having somebody to tell you what to do. So without somebody wasting all of your time, taking away from your creativity. Because that's what a job. I'm not knocking anybody that has one. But what I'm saying is God is knocking at your door and saying surrender and let go. Don't give up. Just surrender and let go once you have put in what you need to put in. And sometimes that's just simply peace and quiet. Okay? All right. My name is Cassandra, but they shine. And it is through our voices and stories that we can help or inspire others to become survivors. Sound the silence in domestic violence. Love you guys. Have a great day.